When you place an Amazon Smart Plug in setup mode, you are not factory resetting the device. Instead, you're preparing the smart plug so that it can be configured with a wireless access point and/or your Amazon account. As the plug in this example has already been configured, the indicator light on the front of our plug is not illuminated. So let's first confirm that the plug is receiving power. If we locate and press the power button on the left side of the plug, if the blue indicator light becomes illuminated, we have confirmed that the plug is receiving power. To place the smart plug into setup mode, we simply need to press and hold down the power button for 5 to 10 seconds. When the indicator light on the front of the plug starts to flash blue and orange, we can release our finger. With our smart plug now in setup mode, we can reconfigure this plug via the Alexa app. If you have accidentally placed the smart plug into setup mode, if you turn off the power on the device, then switch the power back on, when the smart plug powers back up, it will automatically remove itself from setup mode and continue to work using the same Wi-Fi and Amazon account details it did before entering setup mode.